So AJ, what are we going to do today?
The same thing we do every day, Robert. Try and take over the world.
Actually, we're going to be learning about safety.
What is safety?
Excellent question, AJ. Safety is one of the most important parts of chemistry, and we've come up with some guidelines to help you understand the basics of safety. To start things off, we're going to be talking about proper lab etiquette. When in a lab, there is no roughhousing. Now, this may seem boring and unfair, but it's for your own good. Fooling around can result in the breaking of glass and the spilling of dangerous chemicals. A good chemist is always focused. Things like iPods, cell phones, and homework from other classes can be a distraction. A distracted chemist is a danger to themselves and those around them. And no Game Boys. When you come into lab, don't touch any chemicals that are on your table. Playing with unknown chemicals can be dangerous, especially in lab. You never know what you're going to be using. Remember, all chemicals are to be considered dangerous, and you should never, under any circumstances, touch, smell, or taste them unless instructed to do so. Always follow instructions as carefully and precisely as possible. Creating your own experiment can lead to incorrect data and potentially dangerous situations. Whenever chemicals, heat, or glassware are used, goggles must be worn. There are no exceptions. Many of the components in lab can cause major damage to your eyes or even permanent blindness. Living organisms are meant to be treated in a respectful, humane manner. Remember, animals are our friends.
Okay.
An experiment should never be left alone. In the event of a fire drill, make sure all containers are closed, all gas valves are turned off, all flames are out, and all electrical equipment is shut off. A good chemist is a clean chemist. Make sure to clean off any workspaces or glasses used during the experiments. A dirty container can ruin results or contaminate a specimen. Remember, someone has to clean up your mess, and your teacher probably won't be very happy if they have to. Any waste,
Garbage.
insoluble materials,
Trash.
whatever cannot go down the drain. Solid materials clog drains. Instead, throw away your trash,
Rubbish.
throw away your rubbish in the nearest waste container or trash can. By following these guidelines, you will not only be a good chemist, but a safe chemist.
So we're not going to take over the world?